Hi, I'm Dr. Priya Balasubramaniam. I'm a health system scientist at the Center for Sustainable Health Innovations based out of Singapore and cross-affiliated with the Public Health Foundation of India. I'm delighted to be here at the World Health Innovation Forum at AMTZ. I have been fortunate enough to see its journey grow over the last 3 years, and it has evolved to a state where there is such a vibrant showcasing of the health innovation and digital health space here in India. I'm delighted to see the kind of technologies that are being showcased here, and in addition to actually meet the wonderful fellows from many parts of Africa, Southeast Asia, and also Central Europe and America, who are all part of the AMTZ ecosystem. This is a fabulous example of Global South partnerships in digital health led by AMTZ. I think it's a wonderful way to begin to look at digital health of the future, and I wish AMTZ every success in their future conferences.